Good evening. Colombia is reeling tonight after two coordinated attacks, a car bomb and a helicopter strike, left at least 17 people dead, most of them police officers. In the city of Cali, chaos erupted as a car packed with explosives detonated near a military aviation school. The blast killed 5 people and injured more than 30 others. Just hours earlier, in Antioquia, a police helicopter carrying officers on a mission to eradicate coca crops was attacked mid-air by a drone carrying explosives. 12 officers lost their lives and 3 more were injured in the fiery crash. Officials say the helicopter was targeted while conducting anti-narcotics operations. President Gustavo Petro initially blamed the Gulf Clan cartel, but later pointed to dissident groups of the Revolutionary Armed Forces of Colombia, or FARC, who rejected the 2016 peace deal. Both groups remain active in northern Colombia, where coca cultivation has reached record levels. More than 250,000 hectares in 2023, according to the United Nations. Authorities confirmed one suspected dissident has been arrested near the explosion site. Families of the victims are now mourning the loss of 17 lives in a single day of violence. These deadly attacks mark one of the most violent days in Colombia this year, raising urgent questions about confronting dissident groups that continue to destabilize rural regions. Stay with us for continuing coverage.